Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not responding on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve not responding on Facebook, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Facebook and you can click here in this page to search about it. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because those can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.